Hey guys, it's Brendan from the Roop, and today I'm going to be opening this slime. It's a slime kit. It's made by Slimy Gloop, and I got it for Christmas. So I'm going to be recording, opening it, and I'm going to be making one slime for today. This is the back. It includes everything you need. So you don't need to buy anything. It all comes with the kit. So once you take it out, here's what it looks like. And there's like in this box, there's 4 types of slime that you can make. Okay, I think I'm going to make the galaxy slime. The instructions are like, don't eat it, be careful not to splash any solutions in your eyes, wash your hands thoroughly with warm water and soap after each use, and be sure to cover your work areas. Making slimy gloop can get a bit messy. So basically, don't eat it, don't drink it, don't get it in your eyes, and it's gonna be messy. Ooh. Oh, that was a bad idea. Let's get everything. So this is what we're going to do. So add in 1/4 pack of purple and blue glitter, along with half a pack of silver sequins into the ST solution. Oh, so I need this 25 milliliters. Oh, so I need warm water. So right now, I'm making this sodium tetraborate solution, ST solution. Scoop out 1 leveled, how much? I don't know how we're supposed to stir this, but it says to stir it. So we're gonna stir it. I think it's dissolved. Leave this aside for now. Alright, first step. Add in 1/4 pack of purple and blue glitter, along with half a pack of silver sequins into the ST solution. Okay, so we're going to be using this bowl. Okay, add in 3 to 4 drops of the blue dye to the glue solution. Oh, we need glue solution. Fill second cup 8 fluid ounces. Okay. This is for the glue. So this kit is not very prepared for this, but we have supplies. Anyways, 16 milliliters. That's way too much, but into the second cup of water. So we'll just, okay. Okay, so now we're going to add a few drops of this dye, if I can open it, like 3 drops into this. That's good. By the way, guys, if this turns out horrible, it's their fault. Okay. So now we will pour this into here. Wash this because we got this. So now that this is washed, we'll pour this in here so it'll make it easier. Pour the glue solution in here. Now we'll add this in a little bit at a time. So I don't know if I did this. Oh, that was a lot. It's starting to fall. It's really sticky. Can I get like more of this galaxy? I'm just gonna pour the rest in because I'm getting money. This is actually pretty good. Except now there's glitter all over my hands. It's slimy. So this is what the final product is. It's kind of slippery. It doesn't really like stretch that far. Actually, I guess it does. If I had the choice, I don't think I would use this kit again because of the instructions, but I do like this slime. If you like the slime and the video, like, share, like, do whatever you want, comment, I don't care. Just, you can dislike if you didn't like it. I guess. Anyways, thank you guys for watching and have a great day. Bye.
Bye.